I hope you'll be well.
I miss you, Miss Kelly.
So, after a while, it's not as prevalent. It is going down, but it's
Good girl.
periodic.
I miss you, Kelly. Gimme. I miss you, Miss Kelly. I miss you, Kelly.
We miss you, Kelly. Thanks. We're always broke.
Then what he's doing is really not as ideal in comparison.
Miss you, Kelly. I hope you get better soon and come back and see us.
I
We miss you, Kelly, and your bling.
We miss you, Kelly. Get well soon and come back.
Look, Alyssa's sad without you. Miss K.
Oh, we miss you, Kelly. See you soon.
Tippy. We miss you, Kelly.